On today's menu, a recipe that's one of my childhood favorites and is soy fantastic. My ultimate vegan Mapo Tofu. Lei Homa, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now this Mapo Tofu is absolutely amazing, super easy to make, and it's definitely one of my favorite dishes of all time. This is how you make it. Place 4 dry shiitake mushrooms into a small saucepan. 2.5 cups water. Cover and bring to a boil. While the mushrooms are rehydrating, we're just gonna prep everything else. Chop 3 sticks of green onion and set aside. 1 cup canned chickpeas. Roughly crushed chickpeas with a fork. When the water comes to a boil, turn it down to medium and simmer for 10 minutes. 1 pound soft or medium firm tofu. Drain out the excess water and slice into cubes. Pour out the mushroom water and set aside. Cool down the mushrooms with cold water, then squeeze out the liquid. Remove the stalks from the shiitake mushrooms and finely dice. Right, so there's so many different versions of Mapo Tofu, and this particular method is definitely not traditional. But if you haven't already made this incredible chili oil I made in a previous episode, I'll leave a link in the description box below to show you step by step exactly how to make this easy chili oil. Definitely want to make this before making this Mapo Tofu. Finely chop 2 pieces of garlic. Finally chop a small piece ginger. Now we're just about ready to cook, and the final ingredients you need to prep are these amazing Sichuan peppercorns. Bit of a spicy, numbing kind of sensation and a bit of a citrusy flavor. If you cannot find these, you can just sub these out with black peppercorns, but if you can, definitely give these a try. Saute pan. Medium heat. 1 to 2 teaspoons Sichuan peppercorns. Toast for 1 minute. It smells incredibly fragrant. Grind down the peppercorn. Saute pan back on medium heat. 3 tablespoons chili oil. chickpeas, and mushrooms. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Garlic and ginger. Saute for another minute. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Crushed Sichuan peppercorn. 2 tablespoons doubanjiang. This is a Chinese spicy broad bean paste. Reserved mushroom water. One teaspoon cane sugar. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. A splash of rice vinegar. Make a slurry by combining 1 tablespoon potato starch with 1 tablespoon of water. Pour in the slurry while stirring. This will thicken that sauce. Tofu. Gently stir and completely coat the tofu. Plate. Green onion. You can now make one of my favorite dishes of all time with absolute confidence. Really easy to make, and that is incredible. Look at that. This Mapo Tofu will blow your mind. That is really, really delicious. My gosh. You get that incredible smokiness from that amazing chili oil. And you just get that really nice meaty texture from the chickpeas and the shiitake mushrooms. That is really, really full and packed with flavor. And that tofu just is coated with that amazing sauce. Serve this with some incredible rice. And this is probably one of my favorite meals of all time. That is really just delicious. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. And if you haven't already checked out my vegan ramen cookbook that I published not too long ago, you can do so in the link above or a link in the description box below. We're actually on the 2nd edition, just a new cover, same book. And if you purchased the 1st edition of this book, thank you very much. It is because of you that this project has been made possible. So I'm very grateful and very humbled. Of course, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.